So since the weather is nice, some of the weeds in the garden started growing back. So what I do is just regular weeds. And just pluck them. We got the weeds over here. And it's all about you utilizing whatever resources you have. I know people buy lettuce from the store and feed it to the birds. You don't need to. You can utilize whatever you have. Just give them in small quantity, because if you give them too much, they'll start pooping green. So controlled amounts would do the job. Once they're eating with once they're done eating the leaves, they would take the stems to make nests. And birds in the other loft are anxious too, so look at these. These are some really young ones, young weeds. So some of the young ones. Like that over there. Each of these homers over here. Look we have over here. Always do this on a dry day. I won't do it when it's raining or something, because I don't want the water and these green things to be all mixed up, and it's not a good combination. Whenever the loft or the fly pen floors are dry, that's when I give them greens. Two Rufous Reds right next to each other. Then there's a Rufous Red Indian Fantail over there. Oh, it's still going yet over there. Here's more. Go pluck more and give it to the other loft. So you can just pluck weeds from your garden and feed it to the birds. It doesn't need to be any broccoli, any cabbage, any lettuce from the store. They all got scared for a minute. The sudden movement that scared them. Utilize your resources wisely, that's all. You can see he has got that. I'm going to use that as a nesting material. I'm going to run with it. fantail cardboard over there. And there's another one on the bottom too. Actually made it to that Homer hen. I need to break them up too. Got a bird just landed on my phone while I was taking this video. Problem with my Indian fantails, I have extra cockbirds. So I'm gonna keep them paired up like that and, you know, throw the eggs away and put like some of the Indian fantail eggs underneath them or Homer eggs underneath them, because I have extra cockbirds in Indian fantails. So that's a guy just landed on my phone. Okay. The rich almond color. See, that bird is really nice almond. Classic almond right over there. Beautiful bird. There's a kite on it too. I got birds like landing on the top of my head now. A lot going on over here. It's another thing, when you get them too friendly, they become too friendly. Well, I guess that's enough of the greens feeding day for today. Beautiful weather today toward the afternoon. In the morning it's cold, but in the afternoon it warms up.